our bowl, we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of white sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now to this, we're going to add 1 12-ounce package of fresh cranberries that have been washed. And we're going to add about 1.5 cups of walnuts. Now we are going to just stir this and just get everything coated and incorporated together. We'll add that to our mixture. And then I have a cup of butter, 2 sticks of butter melted. And to that, we're going to add and we'll just give that a mix. And then we'll also add that to our mixture. Now, this is going to make a very thick batter that we're then going to spread into our bar pan. So these are so easy. Anybody can make these, and I've been making these, I don't know, maybe about 15 years now, and there's never any left. If you take them to a potluck or your church or your family Thanksgiving, everyone will love these. They're very pretty on a white plate, and it's just as simple as that. Now we're going to cook these for about 40 to 45 minutes at a 350-degree oven. But it will probably make a difference whether you cook them on a stoneware pan like I'm doing or a regular metal bar pan. So you just have to kind of watch them. So I use this, this is a Pampered Chef stoneware bar pan. But you can use any large bar pan to make these. And I'm going to, I sprayed a little avocado oil on it. You can use any kind of oil or butter. And then I'm going to just put some parchment paper to line it. And we'll just press these evenly into our pan. I got these off of the TikTok shop, and when they first came in, I thought, well, they're a little small, but then I've ended up using them the whole Thanksgiving, all my cooking. I really like them. I'll link those, or they're in my showcase. Anyway, that's it, and we'll put that in the oven at 350 for about 40-45 minutes, and these are such a great, beautiful dessert. And there we have it. Cranberry White Chocolate Blondies. They are